Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is another face mask review, and today I'm testing out the No7 Restore and Renew Multi-Action Face and Neck Serum Boost Sheet Mask. So recently, over the last few months, I've been testing out some No7 face masks. I've never tested them out before. I've tried, I think, the green one and the blue one. They were good. I did like them, but they weren't as good as the Garnier masks. So the Garnier masks are my favourite ones, but I did really like them and I would repurchase them. So I'm hoping the same goes for this one. This one is more of an anti-aging type one. It's like supposed to make you look younger, make your skin look younger. It says it's supposed to firm your face and your neck. Wrinkles appear visibly reduced and the skin tone looks more even. So with these masks, you put them on for 20 minutes, let it do its thing and then take it off. But I tend to only leave it on about 15 minutes. I think 20 minutes is a particularly long amount of time. So it contains calcium and amino acids, leaving the skin feel instantly nourished. Brightening complex. It has Sephora and vitamin C for an even looking skin tone. Matrixyl 3000 plus, peptide technology. Pro retinol, helps to reduce the appearance of aging. And vitamin C gives you a radiant glow for healthy looking skin. So yeah, I have a clean washed face. Let's just get started. So the thing with these masks, they go around your ears and your neck normally. I won't be putting it around my ears. I might put it on my neck. Depends how this looks. I just don't like it going in my hair. Okay, yeah, it's supposed to go around your ears, which I will not be doing. And look at that for the neck. I won't be doing that either. So I think I might peel the neck bit off. Okay, so I've got it on. I've just cut the neck bit off. So I'm going to leave that on for 15 minutes. Okay, so now it's time to take the mask off. And I'm just going to massage in the excess. Okay, so my thoughts. This one's going to be a little bit trickier because I don't really have aged skin because I am quite young. So it is going to be hard for me to judge. But I will notice my skin is definitely brighter. I feel like my skin is more glowy, brighter, healthier looking than what it was before. It was very dull, very tired, very pale looking before. Now I feel like my skin is a bit restored and refreshed and hydrated and glowy and brightened. So that's good. It's really hard to tell if it's gonna like anti-age me. Maybe that's something that you're supposed to keep using it and it's supposed to happen over time. I don't know. I do have slight wrinkles around my eyes, but that's about it for wrinkles on my face. So it is really hard to judge it, but I would probably say this is one of my favorite masks. The last mask I tried, it wasn't that great. It didn't brighten my skin very much. I would say this is probably the best one out of the three that I tried. So I tried the blue one, the green one, and this is obviously the red one. I would say the red one is the best one, in my opinion. Red, purple, plum, whatever colour. I would personally say this is the best one. When I picked these up, they were 3 for 2, so I actually got one for free. I got them from Boots, but I will link it down below for you on Amazon. Maybe they do some kind of deal on Amazon. But they are more pricey compared to a Garnier one. And like I said at the beginning of the video, I just prefer the Garnier ones, in my opinion. They are the best ones. I prefer them over the No7 ones. I prefer them over the simple ones. To be honest, I prefer them over any kind of face mask. The Garnier ones just are my favourite. But this also is a pretty good one. I would definitely repurchase this one. Maybe if you have aged skin, you are looking to try it, I would definitely say give it a go. I would recommend it. I really do like it, so that's good. And they're not too pricey either. And like I said, you might be able to get 3 for 2 and stuff, but they're not that pricey, so definitely worth picking up and giving it a go. So yeah, that completes this video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up down below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you're not already so you can see all my other videos. And thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!